So think of how many times kids fall.
All the time.
Yeah, so it's just a good idea to check kids too.
What about babies?
Absolutely. Good. So Ryan, this side.
She's been having some acne lately,
Yeah.
and I'm wondering if it's C3.
Ah, yeah. It could be the mask too.
Oh, yeah.
Could be the mask. I've seen it more with the mask lately. Okay. Good. Line the back. That's it.
Here.
Whoa. Feel that right there?
Relax, very complete relaxation.
Nice. Nice. Good. Beautiful. Okay, sit up to the right. Very good, huh? Perfect. Good. All right, Papa. Come on over here. Good. Right there. So turn your head to the side.
Okay.
And right here. There. Nice. Good. Line your back.
Okay. It's easier than it looks. Oh gosh.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, now let's sit up to your left side there. Okay, raise that left arm. Lay it back down. Raise the right arm. Yeah. Back down, raise both arms. A little better.
Yeah, it still hurts a little on this side. I think it's out of the socket.
Lie on your back for a minute.
Okay.
Just relax. Get that raise right there. Just let that turn over.
Okay.
Good.
All right, it's been getting better though, I'll tell you that, from when I first came in.
That's moving better right there. Now sit up, face that way.
Okay.
And now raise your arm up. And back down. Go to the side. Now bring our palms together. Okay. All right, we'll keep on that.
Okay, great. Thank
Better
you.
motion now.
Yeah, it's moving in the right direction.
All right. You want to lie down? And you put him right on top.
Yeah.
We're going to slide your back. There we go. Let's see what you did on that fall, huh? Woo. Oh, it's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
All right.
It's okay.
It's okay. Here we go. Let's just get this one right here. There it is, right there.
That's okay. Okay, look, Mama's here. Mama's here.
That's good.
It's okay.
Good job. She has that little bruise. Oh. Okay.
She loves being adjusted.
Line this side. Yeah, face me. All the way over to this side. You got it. Good. We get this area from the pelvis. Yeah, adjustments are, we just keep the spinal bones moving right. Good. And line it back. Go a little face up. Okay.
Relax your neck.
Good. Nice. Nice. Good. Sit up to the right for a moment. And just keep it. That was a lot of stuff there, wasn't it? Okay, give me a thumbs up.